What is up guys, Dan at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on OneDrive. So first you need to head over to your Microsoft accounts website, and after that you need to log in with your Microsoft accounts email and password, and after that you will be redirected to the homepage or dashboard of accounts.microsoft.com. And after coming to the dashboard, on the left side you can see your info tab. Click on this Your Info tab, and after clicking on this Your Info tab, this will open a detailed overview of your profile so that you can access your profile from here. Now, after coming to your info section, on the right side at the top, you can see the edit name. Sorry, on the right side on the middle, you can see the button to edit name. Click on this, and from here, you can edit your name, your last name, and your first name. As you can see, I have written this, but you can just simply backspace it, and then you can write your new name or change your name. And after that, when you are done, you just need to enter these captcha, and then you need to click on save. And when you click on save, your new name will be saved. And this is how you can change your name on OneDrive. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.